Hello students, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of geometry, and we are going to apply some of the properties at transversal. Okay, na? That means we discussed about the corresponding angles, alternate angles, and co-interior and co-exterior angles. Am I right? Yeah, at parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal at transversal, and alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, sum of co-interior angles are 180 degrees. Okay, na? So these three you need to remember. Alternate angles are equal at parallel lines for transversal, and corresponding angles are equal, and co-interior angles 180. That means whose sum is 180. Same way sum of co-exterior angles also 180 degrees. So let us start the exercise problems today. So in exercise 1, angle AOB equals to 100 degrees. Exercise 1 problems. The first question is given that angle AOB equals to 100 degrees. Okay, and where BOC and COD are in the ratio 3:5. BOC and COD are in the ratio 3:5. Okay. Now, then the angle AOC is, we need to identify the angle of AOC. But before that, let us see the diagram here. The diagram is given that AOD, angle AOD, and here OC and OD are rays. OC and OD are rays. Sorry, OC and OB. Okay. So nothing but we can consider that COD and BOC are adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Any two angles having a common arm and common vertex. Such type of angles are called adjacent angles. Okay. So according to the problem, BOC and COD. BOC and COD are in the ratio 3:5, and angle AOB is 100 degrees. Angle AOB is 100 degrees. But while you are observing here, so we can identify the straight line. What is the straight line here? AOD. AOD is a straight line, and we know already sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. So from the figure we can write angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD equals to 180 degrees. And we know the value of AOB, it is 100 degrees, and BOC and COD. But in the given information, BOC and COD are in the ratio 3:5. So we can consider the ratio as 3x and 5x. That means BOC angle is 3x and COD angle is 5x. That equals to 180. Now plus 100 transpose that side becomes minus 100. 180 minus 100 will be 80 degrees. And here 3x plus 5x will be 8x. So let us try to find the x value. That x value is 10 degrees. So from this we can say that 3x value is 30 degrees. 5x value is 50 degrees. So from this we know this is 30 degrees and it is 50 degrees. But what we have to find, actually we need to find the value of angle AOC. We need to find the value of AOC. AOC is nothing but the entire angle up to here. See, A to O and O to C. That is nothing but 100 plus 30 is equals to 130 degrees. Therefore, the required answer is 130 degrees. Please note that, children, and we'll go to the next question. The question number 2, that is given that, so in the supplementary, if the supplement of an angle is 3 times of its complement angle, supplement of an angle is 3 times of 3 times of its complement, then the angle is. What are called supplementary angles? Sum of two angles 180 degrees are called supplementary. For example, let the required angle is x. I am taking the angle is x. What is its supplementary angle? Supplementary angle of x is 180 minus x, because sum of two angles will be 180 degrees. Then each of the angle called supplementary to one another. Okay na? Here, if I take the required angle x and its supplementary angle is 180 minus x. What about its complement angle? Complement of x. Complement of x is 90 minus x. Very good. Complement of x is 90 minus x. But according to the problem here, one line is given. Supplement angle is, according to the problem, supplement angle 180 minus x is means equals to 3 times of its complement. 3 times of complement. 3 times means 3 into. So 90 minus x. Okay? Right. Now try to multiply here 180 minus x as it is. 3 into 90 is 270 minus 3 into x is 3x. Now try to bring all the variables one side, all the numericals one side. So minus 3x, I am going to bring this side, is plus 3x, and here minus x is as it is, and it is 270 plus 180 transpose minus 180. So 3x minus x will be 2x. 170 minus 80, sorry, 270 minus 80 is 90 degrees. Then x equals to 90 by 2, nothing but 45 degrees. This is our required angle. That means if you have an angle 45 degrees, its complement angle is 1/3 of the supplementary angle, or its supplementary angle is 3 times of its complement angle. Okay, yeah, let us go to the next problem. So in the figure, L is parallel to M. So L is parallel to M, and N is a transversal. N is a transversal. Yeah, but actually here figure, so in your textbook diagram is not given. Okay, let us try to draw one rough diagram. L is parallel to M. So I am taking a pair of parallel lines here, L and M. N is a transversal line. Okay, until then we don't have any problem. And if angle C equals to 70 degrees, G, H are respectively. So without the diagram, you are not able to identify the required angles, because where is angle C? We don't know the location of angle C. Angle G and angle H are not there. So I'll let you know the problem diagram. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. So let us go to the problem number 4. There is angle AOC and angle ACO and BOD equals to OBD. Then we need to find one of the following option. But here diagram is given clearly. That diagram is AC and BD. AC and BD are two line segments given like that, and A to D is joined and B to C also is joined, and also given that the intersecting point is taken as O, and AO distance, OD distance equal, and AC distance, BD distance are equal. But from the given information we know that angle AOC means angle at O, this one. Angle AOC, yeah, this angle, AOC angle. Angle AOC equals to ACO. These two, ACO, angle at C. Yeah, angle AOC is equals to angle ACO. Okay, na? Next, BOD equals to OBD. These two. Right. Okay. Then AC is perpendicular to BD. First option, AC and BD are perpendicular, it seems. Perpendicular means AC, BD are perpendicular means they must be making an angle of 90 degrees between their point of intersection. But while you are observing that AC line segment, BD line segment never touches here. They are so far distance here. AD and BC are intersecting, but AC and BD are never touches here. Okay, na? So first option is false. Next, AC is not equal to BD. AC and BD are not equal. Can we say that one? From the figure we cannot say that, because it is given that two line segments indicates AO distance equals to OD distance, both are equal distance. Same way, AO and OC are also represented with the same two line segments. That means AC also equals to AO. So from this diagram, you need to understand that AC length equals to AO length. AC equals to AO, and same way OD equals to BD. These are all equal lengths from the figure with the given symbols. Okay, now let us go to the next option. Then the option C, AC is parallel to BD. AC is parallel to BD. Is it possible chances or not? Let us go to the last. AC is not parallel to BD. Okay. Now while you are observing this, AC and BD are parallel lines here. AC and BD are parallel lines, because we already discussed that parallel lines at a transversal, some angles are equal. What are the angles? Corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal. But while you are observing here, angle C, angle B, both are equal. That means if AC and BD are parallel lines, we are considering that BC as a transversal. BC as a transversal. Now here right side angle, left side angle, alternate angle. One is right side of the transversal line, one is being left side of the transversal line. If these two alternate angles are equal, we can consider that these two lines are parallel. Okay, na? That means for parallel lines, alternate angles are equal. If alternate angles are equal, we can consider the given lines are parallel. Okay, na? Vice versa. Both are true. So, according to the given statements, our correct option is AC is parallel to BD. Okay, na? Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, question number 5. That is given that the ratio between the complementary and supplement of an angle is 1:2. Complement and supplement of an angle, ratio between them is 1:2. Then the angle is very easy, as we discussed in the previous problem. Let us consider the required angle is x and its complement angle is 90 minus x. Supplement angle is 180 minus x. Okay, na? Complement angle is 90 minus x and supplement angle is 180 minus x. And it is given that the ratio between the complement and supplement angle is 1:t, 1:2. That means complement angle is to supplement angle equals to 1:2. Ratio means we should take like this. And we know already, if A is to B, A and B are two quantities are taken in the form of ratio, we can convert into their fractional form as well. We can convert into their fractional form. So I am writing its fractional form, that is 90 minus x is divided by 180 minus x equals to 1/2. 1:2 we can write as 1/2. Apply the cross multiplication. 2 into 90 is 180 minus 2 into x is 2x. I did the cross multiplication like this. Now 1 into this entire 180 minus x gives the same answer, 180 minus x, because you multiply with number 1. Now try to bring all the variables one side, all the numericals one side. Okay, 180 minus plus 180, I am transposing this side, it is also minus 180, and minus 2x bring this side, plus 2x, here minus x. 2x minus x is x, therefore the angle is 0 degrees. Okay, na? So therefore the answer is 0 degrees, option 4. Let us go to the problem number 6. If n is parallel to m, P is parallel to Q. One diagram is given that n is parallel to m and P is parallel to Q. Yeah, like this one diagram is given. Yeah, here P and here Q. Okay. Now the angles in the picture is 1 and 3. Yeah, here 2. So these are the given. But here angle 1 equals to 75 degrees. Angle 1 equals to 75 degrees it seems. So angle 1, this one, is 75 degrees. Now let us try to find the remaining angles. What could be the angle 3? P and Q are parallel lines. P and Q parallel means we can take N as a transversal, and it is making angles like angle 1 and angle 3. Both are looking like same shape, nothing but corresponding angles. We already discussed that at corresponding angles are equal at transversal. Corresponding angles are equal at transversal. So from this we can also say that angle 3 equals to 75 degrees. Okay. Now here while you are observing here these two, M and N are parallel lines. Now Q will be the transversal this time, and both 3 and 2 are same side of the transversal at distinct points. Same side of the transversal at distinct points. So we can consider these two are co-interior angles, and also we know that sum of co-interior angles are 180 degrees, and we know angle 3 is 75. Try to transpose 75 that side, minus 75, then angle 2 is 105 degrees. Okay, but let us try to check the given options. The first option is angle 2 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 3 it seems. Angle 1 plus 1/3 of the right angle. Okay, let us try to go through the, I am erasing this one. Let us try to go through the options. So what is the first one? Angle 2. Angle 2 value how much? Angle 2 value is 105. That is equals to 75 degrees. That means angle 1 plus 1/3 of 90 degrees. 3 table in 90 is 30 times. 75 plus 30 is 105. Yes, both are equal. So option 1 is correct. Let us, all are different options. We got the answer in first option only. So we can decide that angle 1 is the, option 1 is the correct answer for us. Now let us go to the problem number 7. Right. So the seventh problem is BOC is to COD is to AOD. BOC is to COD is to AOD. Am I right? Yeah, 3 angles are given in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 2. 3 angles are given in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 2. And write OP, OQ, OD are bisectors of angle BOC, COD and AOD. Then POR is. Now we are going to take AOB. One diagram is given, that is AOB straight line. AOB straight line. From this straight line it is given that OP, OQ and OD are angular bisectors. Q will be given like this, and also OR, OD. Left hand side we are having OR and OD. This is R and it is D, and right hand side P and C. P and C. Okay. And also given that here, OP, OQ, OD. OP line, OQ line, OD line are bisectors of BOC. That means these two angles are equal. Bisecting is nothing but dividing into two equal parts. Same way, these two angles also equal because OQ is bisector of COD. So these two angles are equal. Okay. Next, OR is bisector of AOD. So we can consider these two angles are equal. Okay. So from the figure you need to identify the differences between them. Now we need to find out the angle of POR. POR, this angle. That means POR means here to here. This angle we need to find. Okay. So let us try to find let us take AOB angles. AOB is nothing but the combination of AOD, COD and BOC. Okay, na? See here from the figure, AOB is a combination of AOD here to here, one angle AOD and COD and BOC. Why I am taking like this? Because I would like to use the given information. Here from the figure we can observe that AOB is a straight line. So this AOB line I can write as AOD diagram, AOD angle plus COD angle plus BOC angle. We know that AOB is a straight line which gives an angle of 180 degrees. And AOD, COD, BOC. AOD, COD, BOC are in the ratio. AOD is 2, COD is 4 and BOC is 3. So let us consider whenever it is given in the ratio form, we can consider the 3x, 4x, 2x. 2x, 4x, 3x. Sum means addition. Add all of them. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9x value is 180 degrees. Then x value is 180 by 9, nothing but 20 degrees. We got x value 20. Then what about 2x? 2x is nothing but AOD. AOD value is 40 degrees. Okay. Now, second COD. COD is nothing but 4 times. 4 times of 20, nothing but 80 degrees. And BOC is nothing but, BOC 3 times, 320s are 60. Okay, na? So total 180 degrees. Right, let us come to the point. Now we need to identify the angles from here to here. Okay. We already find separately, see here, BOC is nothing but 60 degrees. That means 30 degrees, 30 degrees. But we should use only 130 degrees. Okay, because they are angular bisectors, no? So 60 I can divide into 2 equal parts. Next, coming to COD. COD total length 80 degrees. So COD we can take 80 degrees. And this one, total AOD. AOD is 40 degrees, but we are not taking the total angle, only half of it. That means again 20 degrees. So answer will be 130 degrees. Okay, na? Please check. We'll go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 8 is if AB is parallel to CD. 8th problem. AB is parallel to CD and P is any point as shown in the given figure. AB is parallel to CD and P is any point in the given figure. Okay, na? So here P is given. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to find out that angle APB. APB means this one. A to B, B to P. APB angle. Angle ABP. Yeah. Next angle BPD. BPD, this one. Angle BPD. Plus the third one is CDP. CDP, this one. Okay. So these 3 angles we need to find. But do we have any measurements in the diagram? There is no measurement in the diagram. Without using the without the measurements, we need to identify the angles here. Okay, let us try to find it. Now for this, to identify the sum of these three angles, I am just trying to divide this given shape by constructing our requirements. Now I am doing like this. I am just drawing a parallel line through P, like this. Draw a parallel line through P to AB and CD lines. Okay, now this angle I am taking as A, and this angle I am taking as B, this one C and this one D. Okay, so whenever we are drawing or we are constructing a parallel line, this BP line will be transversal. So co-interior angles are 180 degrees. Sum of co-interior angles are 180 degrees we can take. Same way, C plus D also 180 degrees. Okay, now A is nothing but ABP. First one. Next, that means I am adding all of them. A plus B plus C plus D. A plus B plus C plus D equals to 360 degrees. Because 180 plus 180 becomes 360 degrees. In the place of A, we can write ABP. In the place of B and C, the combination of both of them, I can write angle P nothing but BPD. And the D is nothing but angle at CDP. So we can consider the angle is 360 degrees completed. Okay, now very easy. Without the information also we can write easily. 360 degrees. Now let us go to the problem number 9. Yeah, the ninth problem is given that if AB is parallel to CF and BC is parallel to ED. AB is parallel to CF and BC is parallel to ED. Correct? Yeah, ABCF and BCED. Okay. Then we need to find the given condition. Which is the given condition? Before that, let us try to draw the given diagram. So BC one line is given like that, and from here A1 line will be given. Here A will be. Next from C here one more line. CF this one. Okay, and here EG. Here E, here Z, and we are having it here D. And also given that these two lines. Okay, angle B. Here angle B. Right. Yeah. So once observe this diagram, it is clearly given that AB is parallel to CF. I am drawing the parallel lines clearly. AB, this one, this line is parallel to CF, means this one. Okay. Yeah, C, we have to take it here. Yeah, these two are parallel lines, which is in the color of green. And BC is parallel to ED, this one. These two also parallel. We need to identify the conditions here. While you are observing this one, these two are equal because of vertically opposite angles are always equal. When two lines are intersect at a point, forms two pairs of vertically opposite angles, and two pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. We discussed in our previous class. So from this, these two angles are equal. Same way, this one and this one are corresponding angles like L shape, because these two are parallels, it will be the transversal. Same way, this one also equal. That means the given angle B, angle C, angle D are equal angles here. So according to the options, while you are observing ABC, ABC means angle at B, this one. ABC is equals to CDE. Yes, correct. First statement is correct. Now second one, FDE. FDE means, yeah, this one. FDE is equals to FDZ. No. FED, sorry. FED, sorry, FDE, this one. FDE means this one. FDE is equals to FDZ. FDZ, no. Both are not equal. Now ABC, FDZ. ABC, this one. ABC, FDZ. No, both are not equal. And the last one, FDE. FDE, this one. FDE is equals to ABC. Yes, FDE equals to ABC. That is also a correct answer. But once go through the first option, FBE is equal to CDE. Yeah, CDE is given. CDE means this side it is not equal. Only the last option is the correct option. Okay, na? So from the figure. Now let us go to the next problem. Here one diagram is given. LMN. L and M are parallel lines. L and M are parallel lines. N is a transversal. And here there is a formation of angles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like these angles are given. But while you are observing the question, the given L is parallel to M. Angle 1 equals to 2x plus y. Angle 1 equals to this one, 2x plus y. Okay. Next, angle 6 equals to 3x minus y. Angle 6 is equals to 3x minus y. This one. Then two measures of 2 in terms of y is. Okay, na? Angle 2 we need to discuss in the terms of y. Where is angle here? This angle we need to discuss in the terms of y. Okay, let us consider this. While you are observing these two, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 we can consider as a pair of angles on a straight line, nothing but linear pair, whose sum equals to 180 degrees. That means from this figure I can write angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degrees because of linear pair. Okay, na? Pair of adjacent angles on a straight line gives 180 degrees. Okay. But angle 1 we know that is 2x plus y. We don't know the angle 2, that is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, na? So from this, angle 2 equals to 180 minus this 2x plus y, transpose this side, minus 2x minus y. But from the given figure we already know that angle 2, angle 6 are corresponding angles. Angle 2, angle 6 are corresponding angles. That means we can take angle 2 equals to angle 6. Angle 2 I got 180 minus 2x minus y, and angle 6 is already given 3x minus y. Okay, na? So from this, yeah, we need to find angle 2, right? One second, let me check the question once. Yeah, angle 1 and angle 6 measurements are given, 3x minus y, 2x plus y. Then two measures, the measures of angle 2 in terms of y, measures of angle 2 in terms of y. So angle 2 in terms of y, yeah, let us check this one. So these two we can equate. Both sides minus y cancel, both sides minus y cancel, and here it is given that 180 equals to this minus 2x, bring this side, becomes plus 2x, 3x plus 2x is 5x, then x value is 180 by 5. That means 5 table in 180, yeah, 5 3s are 15 and 40, 5 8s, x value 38 degrees we got. But we need to find angle 2. Angle 2 and angle 6 are same now. 3x minus y. That means 3 into, in the place of x we can substitute 38 minus y. We should express in the terms of y. That's why I left like that. 3 30 is 90. 3 8s are 24. So 114. Okay, now 114 degrees minus y, angle 6 equals to, or nothing but angle 2 equals to, because angle 2 and angle 6 are equal using corresponding angles. Okay. Five threes are 15. Yeah, it is 6, right? 36 times. Sorry, it is 36 times actually. Now here we should write 36. So 108. Option 1. Okay, now angle 2 value is nothing but 108 minus y. Let us go to the next problem. Okay. Yeah. The next problem is given that x is lies in an interior of triangle ABC. X is lies in a interior of triangle ABC. Let me draw the diagram of triangle ABC. The question number 11. I am drawing a ABC triangle. X is interior of ABC or BAC, whatever. Angle BAC equals to 70 degrees. That means angle A 70 degrees. And also BAX is 42 degrees. BAX. So let us take that X is interior part. BAX means B to A and A to X. We can take like this. Okay, na? So this is 40 degrees. So total 70, this part is 40 means it will be 30. Okay, right. Then XAC. XAC equals to 30 degrees, finished. Because total angle 70 degrees, in this part is given that 40 degrees, remaining part will be 30 degrees, completed. Next, if the arms of one angle are respectively parallel to the arms of another angle, then the two angles are the arms of one angle. I am drawing one angle like this. These two are arms of an angle. For example, OA and OB. OA is a arm and OB is a arm. And also given that one angle are respectively parallel to the arm of another angles. So we can consider like this, another angle. So these two arms are parallel and these two arms are parallel. Okay, na? Yeah, according to the problem. Then the two angles are, what about the two angles? These two angles are equal or not? Definitely those two angles are equal, because this is, if you considering these two lines, I am taking that C, this is O, no, I am taking this one as D, C, D, E. Whenever OA and DA are parallel lines, these two are corresponding angles and corresponding angles are equal. Whenever these two are parallel lines, this is a transversal, again these two angles are equal. So from this diagram we can consider the given angles are equal. Let us consider 13th problem. Yeah, diagram is given. From the diagram we can say this is 12th one. Now 13th one. From the diagram it is given that these two are parallel lines and angle, one of the angle is x plus 50 and the second angle is y minus 20. But let us discuss what are the two angles. Both angles are interior angles and one is placed left side of the transversal, second one is placed right side of the transversal at distinct points. So from this we can say that these two are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal for parallel lines. Okay, na? So from this we can say that yeah, what we have to find actually, y minus 20, x plus 50 equals to y minus 20. Yeah, find the values of x and y respectively. And also here one statement is given that x and y are complementary angles. X and y are complementary angles. Complementary angles are nothing but sum of two angles equals to 90 degrees. That means it is already given x and y complementary means x plus y equals to 90 degrees. And from this x is equal to, I can write 90 minus y. I can write 90 minus y. Now I am substituting here. In the place of x I can write 90 minus y plus 50 equals to y minus 20. Bring variables one side, numbers one side. Minus y transpose outside plus y. Here already 1y, y plus y, 2y. And minus 20 bring this side, plus 20. 20 plus 50, 70. 70 plus 90, how much? 160. So from this y equals to 80 degrees. If y value 80, then x value is 10 because both of the angles are complementary. Complementary means sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So options are 80 and 10, first option. Okay? Yeah. That's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.